We clean that surface, we abrade that surface, it immediately starts changing. So when we do a surface treatment or a cleaning, what are we doing? Well, we're taking a surface over here on the right. We're trying to push it back over to the left. We're trying to get all the way over to the left as far as we can. And as soon as we're done cleaning, as soon as we're done surface treating, that surface starts moving back to the right. Okay, that surface is continually in flux. It's continually changing. Right? That's a very important concept to have in your mind when you're dealing with surfaces in manufacturing. Right? And surface energy establishes the work of adhesion, which establishes our joint strength, our joint performance. Okay. That surface energy of substrate, it's the adjustable parameter that affects the work of adhesion. Okay? Work of adhesion is the fundamental characteristic of a solid liquid interface that determines adhesion. Right? This adhesion, we have to have it there in order to dissipate energy in the adhesive and the adherents to create the high performance bond. Right? We need that adhesion in order to be able to dissipate energy while we're breaking apart that structure. Work of adhesion depends on the solid surface energy. It also depends on the adhesive surface energy, and it depends on the extent to which they interact. There's a quantitative relationship between surface energy and adhesion, and this opens the door for quantitative control over bonding, painting, coating, sealing, and surface treatment processes.